Welcome to English Quiz Pro.
One. What is the synonym for fat? A. Slim. B. Thin. C. Bulky. D. Skinny. Two. What is the synonym for angry? A. Enraged. B. Calm. C. Pleased. D. Mild. Three. What is the synonym for a hot? A. Arctic. B. Freezing. C. Frigid. D. Blazing. Four. What is the synonym for happy? A. Melancholy. B. Cheerful. C. Depressed. D. Miserable. Five. What is the synonym for depressed? A. Glad. B. Cheerful. C. Pessimistic. D. Optimistic. Six. What is the synonym for mute? A. Silent. B. Vocal. C. Speaking. D. Articulate. Seven. What is the synonym for compose? A. Break. B. Demolish. C. Destroy. D. Build. Eight. What is the synonym for expert? A. Clumsy. B. Green. C. Proficient. D. Awkward. Nine. What is the synonym for nervous? A. Confident. B. Relaxed. C. Calm. D. Edgy. Ten. What is the synonym for repair? A. Restore. B. Break. C. Impair. D. Damage. Eleven. What is the synonym for futile? A. Useful. B. Vain. C. Helpful. D. Effective. Twelve. What is the synonym for animate? A. Dead. B. Inactive. C. Quiet. D. Moving. 13. What is the synonym for stupid? A. Dumb. B. Wise. C. Careful. D. Prudent. "14. What is the synonym for end? A. Dawn. B. Start. C. Deadline. D. Kickoff. "15. What is the synonym for quiet? A. Silent. B. Loud. C. Noisy. D. Big. "16. What is the synonym for confess? A. Hide. B. Deny. C. Conceal. D. Admit. "17. What is the synonym for afraid? A. Brave. B. Anxious. C. Calm. D. Unafraid. "18. What is the synonym for cool? A. Assured. B. Hot. C. Warm. D. Chilly. "19. What is the synonym for tall? A. Lanky. B. Fat. C. Short. D. Stocky. "20. What is the synonym for nimble? A. Stiff. B. Stupid. C. Deft. D. Clumsy. "21. What is the synonym for sleepy? A. Fresh. B. Lazy. C. Active. D. Careful. "22. What is the synonym for swift? A. Quick. B. Slow. C. Steady. D. Creeping. "23. What is the synonym for raise? A. Decrease. B. Increment. C. Decline. D. Fall.